In the heat of the summer, as gardeners, we spend a lot of time watering and using a lot of water. We can save some water and time by hooking up a drip irrigation system. This system is very easy to use and easy to set up. It can plug right into your normal garden hose, and you can use different emitters and adapters to accomplish what you need. Like this adapter here, this is more of a spray adapter so that you can use it in bigger containers. Or if you're doing a little overhead watering, something like this, you could use as more of a mist system for overhead watering. These drip lines just connect into this end here so that you can run multiple lines to different containers. Easy to hook up the system. I've already had this hooked up into my main line. So it's just a tube, a T adapter, and I'm doing these two containers. So I've got the T adapter so that I can do both containers off of one line. All we got to do is plug in the line here and just make sure you get it all the way in so that you don't have any leaks. And then I can just hook up my emitter. Same thing, just get it all the way in so that you don't have any leaks. One more. And we are done. These heads are designed so that you can adjust your water by just simply twisting it. So if you need less water in the area, you just twist it down a little more to go up. Then we just place it in our containers. And we can be creative and hide the tubing later up under the mulch that's running behind or anything like that. And then your system will be set. I hope that everyone would give a drip irrigation system a try. This will definitely save you water by putting water right at the roots of the plants where it needs to be, lessening evaporation, and it will save you time because you're not standing there with a water hose having to water all of your containers. And you can even hook it up to a timer so that you don't have to worry about it all. Just set your timer and you're done. Happy gardening.